work in the Sizes database program. To create a new Sizes database, choose the Data New menu items. Enter the name of the new base in the Parameters window and fill in the measures for it. For example, the first measure is chest circumference. Enter the range of sizes separated by commas. And then activate the basic size field. And choose one of the sizes as the main, basic size of the grading. The second measure is height. The third measure is fullness. The second and third measures may be absent in the Sizes database. You can choose an appropriate ready table in the existing field and create a new base with a different name on the basis of its parameters. The first measure size will be arranged in columnar form, vertically, in the window of the new empty Sizes database. The second one will be arranged horizontally, and the third measure, fullness, will be done in the form of tabs of the table. Enter the symbol and the name for the first measure, and fill in the table of values, either manually or with the use of special techniques. To enter a constant value, you can enter the figure in the upper input window and specify the button of the required size of height. Proceed to the next line, saving the data and enter a new measure. You can fill in the table quickly with the help of special functions by clicking the right mouse button in the upper input window. After choosing function 4, substitute figures for the min and max symbols and choose the All or Equal button. The entire table will be filled in the uniformly from the minimum value to the maximum one. To enter measures reproduced both by sizes and by height, you have to enter the values for the basic size for all the heights manually. Then click the right mouse button in the upper window to choose function 5. Enter the increment value instead of the delta symbol and choose the Equal or All button. To set the jump in the increments for a non-uniform grading, enter the jump value after the expression with the function and click the mouse in the cell of the required size name. Save each measure separately or the whole Sizes database. You can enter a sketch of figure measurement diagrams and also print out the data for the measures that is enabled at the moment. To change the database sizes parameters, choose the Data Parameters menu item. Here you can either delete some parameters or broaden the scale. The table will be supplemented with empty cells to be filled in. To copy the Sizes database under a different name, you have to choose the database for copying. Fulfill the items of the Data Save As menu and enter the name of the new database, copy. In addition to that, you can perform operations of export-import of Sizes databases for the purpose of storing and transferring them in electronic format, or delete a Sizes database, which is not uploaded for working at the moment. You can create a Sizes database for an atelier, where surnames of clients are entered instead of the range of sizes. The measurements for actual figures will be entered when making up the table of measures, and drafting of one basic construction will be performed in the design program for several clients at once.